Hi, my name is Johan, and now I go to show you my activity. Eh, my activity is about a trip to Coveñas. So, in this picture, I go to show you my last journey with my family and my girlfriend. Eh, this travel was was amazing. So, in the transport or with the transport. The trip started in Barranca Bermeja. We went in two cars, which we can see in the photo. This one and this one. Next, we have a jet, jet ski. The jet ski was rented on the beach. The whole family was riding. Uh, all the family ride this this vehicle. And next, we have the boat. The boat ride lasted 2 hours, and the experience was very nice. Is very nice. And here we have the food. Uh, we all know that the typical coastal food is the fish. So we couldn't go and not eat a delicious fish. That is obviously we we can eat the fish when we go in a beach. It's normal. And this is my project. And the other things that we did in the travel are are this. I went to the beach and swam with my girlfriend. We played volley on the sand. We went to some bar and walk the beach in the night. That is very nice. Go to walk the beach in the night. We bought some gift for friends. We went to know the other beach and some commercial center. And to finally, I drove a motorcycle on the beach. Thank you.